Innovation doesn't happen on its own. It needs leaders to drive it. The bootcamp is not just your regular program. It is immersive and it is intense.
You're going to interact with people from all around the world, learn from the best experts, and receive personalized feedback from amazing entrepreneurs.
Our coaches are MIT alumni who are entrepreneurs, executives, or investors. They understand what it takes to generate an innovation and to design a venture to support it.
They're going to be able to push you past what you thought was possible.
You will get wide exposure to MIT faculty who are pushing the frontiers in different fields.
Like many MIT courses, the bootcamp is a living lab where we're asking you to identify important problems, produce your own data, and create an effective solution.